Hey, what's up? I have some exciting news for you about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This phone is going to be amazing, and it might have some features that no other phone has. For example, did you know that it could have a 10x zoom and 2 new camera upgrades? I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about them and also give you the latest info on their features, specs, and release date. It's almost 2024, and that means we're getting closer to the launch of the new iPhone 16 lineup. There will be 4 models: the iPhone 16, the 16 Plus, the 16 Pro, and the 16 Pro Max, and maybe even an iPhone Ultra model too. But today, I want to focus on the iPhone 16 Pro Max because it has 3 big camera upgrades that will blow your mind. 2 of them are also for the iPhone 16 Pro, but one of them is exclusive to the Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to have a 10x optical zoom, which is a huge improvement over the current 5x zoom on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. How is this possible? Well, some sources say that Apple is using a new 300mm focal lens with a tetraprism technology, which can capture more details from far away. You can see some evidence of this in these reports that show Apple is using a special glass technology for the lens. That's pretty awesome, right? But what about the iPhone 16 Pro? It deserves some zoom love too. Well, don't worry, because it seems like it will also get a better zoom than before. According to these analysts, the iPhone 16 Pro will have a 5x optical zoom, which is better than the 3x zoom on the previous models. And it might even take better photos and videos than the current 5x zoom on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So that's another great upgrade for the iPhone 16 Pro. The Pro models of the iPhone 16 will have a major upgrade in the ultra-wide camera. It will have a 48 megapixel sensor that can produce sharper images with pixel binning technology. The ultra-wide camera is the one that lets you zoom out to 0.5x. I'm happy that Apple is improving this feature because it will compete with other brands like Huawei and Samsung that have better zoom capabilities. I wish the iPhone 16 Pro also had a higher zoom than 3x, maybe 7x or 8x. But I guess having the same 10x zoom as the iPhone 16 Pro Max is better than nothing. By the way, these are just rumors and leaks, so don't take them as facts. The final iPhone may look different from these renders, which are based on the available information. If you are wondering when the iPhone 16 will be available, we don't have a definitive answer yet, but based on previous years, we can make an educated guess. Apple usually holds its launch event in mid-September and releases the new iPhones about a week or 10 days later. So unless there is some major disruption like the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, we can expect the iPhone 16 to come out in late September. Of course, this is just a speculation, and we will update you as soon as we have more information. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more Apple news, reviews, and tips. You can also click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Cheers!